Hi students, let us start the new chapter called linear inequalities. There are three exercises in this chapter. It's very easy and it is very important for 6-mark question also. We usually give 6-mark question because it is the extended content of this linear inequalities will be useful for you in linear programming problems of 12th grade. So that's the reason why this chapter is very important in your 11th grade. Okay. Now, let us start exercise 6.1. I do each and every problem of this exercise. Listen very carefully. See the first problem, the question is solve. Solve means to find the value of x always. Always to find the value of x, and x is less than 100 by 24. That means 100 by 24 will be 425 4 6 by 25. Approximately it will be 4.1. X is less than 4.1. In that they asked us to find out two things. When x is a natural number, what is the solution? When x is a natural number less than 4.1, how many natural numbers will be there? 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it. Next one. When x is an integer, how many integers are there less than 4? 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, minus 1, so on till how many? It will be so on till minus infinity. Integers is infinite. Since the natural number starts from 1, it will end with 1. Okay? Right. See the second question. Minus 12x greater than 30. Minus 12x greater than 30. See, first of all, whenever these are not equations, these are inequations. Inequations, less than, greater than are inequalities. Okay, whenever there are inequalities, when you send one minus symbol to right hand side, or when you multiply the whole inequality with a negative number, the inequality changes. That means less than become greater than becomes less than. So it becomes 12x is less than minus 30. Okay, now x is less than minus 30 by 12, 5 by 2, x is less than minus 2.5. Now, in the first question they have asked natural number. Less than 2.5 natural number, minus 2.5, there will be no natural numbers. And second one is an integer. An integer less than minus 2.5 will be minus 2.5 will be minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, so on till where? Minus infinity. So on. This will be so on. Alright, minus so on. Minus 5, minus 4, minus 3 only. Because before minus 2.5, these are the only integers you find. Okay. Now see the third question. It is given 5x minus 3 less than 7. Minus 3 is less than 7. So first let us bring minus 3 to that side, becomes 7 plus 3 less than 10, x is less than 2. What is the answer they ask? In the first thing they want integer. Less than 2, how many integers will be there? Many. 1, 0, before 2. Minus 1, so until where? Minus infinity. Now, next one is real number. Less than 2 real number. What are the real numbers less than 2? Open bracket infinity to. What is the difference between these two? In integers, you won't get the decimals and fractions. Whereas in real numbers, you will get all the numbers. Here you won't have 0.1, 0.2, but here you will have 0.2, 0.1, everything. Okay? Now, fourth question. 3x plus 8 greater than 2. Greater than 2. And they ask integer and also real number. Same. So 3x is greater than minus 6. X is greater than minus 2. First of all, they ask us to find integer. What are the integers after minus 2? You will have minus 1, 0, 1, 2, so on till infinity. When you can take the case of real number, minus 2 to open, that means you will get all decimals, fractions, everything. Okay? See, from fifth problem onwards, we are asked to solve for Real numbers only. Okay, that means all real numbers. You will get fractions, decimals, and everything. See, we do all the problems. See, fifth one, 4x plus 3 is less than 5x plus 7. Bring x to one side, minus x less than 4. Negative should not be here. When you multiply with minus, it becomes x greater than minus 4. Since there is no is equal to sign, it becomes minus 4 to infinity, open interval. Okay? Sixth question. 3x minus 7 greater than 5x minus 1. Bring all x's to one side. 3x minus 5x greater than 7 minus 1 minus 2x greater than 6. First side minus that side. Then it becomes 2x less than minus 6. It becomes x less than minus 3. So before minus 3 from number line. So minus infinity to minus 3 open. Right? Seventh question. 3 into x minus 1 less than or equal to 2 into x minus 3. See, just multiply this. 3x minus 3 less than or equal to 2x minus 6. Bring all x's to one side. 3x minus 2x less than or equal to minus 6 plus 3. X is less than or equal to minus 3. So from minus infinity to minus 3, close here, open here. Why? Because is equal to symbol is there. Then minus 3 will also include in the solution. Okay. Now look at the eighth question. 3 into 2 minus x greater than or equal to 2 into 1 minus x. 2 into 1 minus x. Let us multiply. 6 minus 3x greater than or equal to 2 minus 2x. Bring all x's to one side. Plus 2x greater than or equal to 2 minus 6. Minus x greater than or equal to minus 4. When you multiply with minus, the inequality changes. X less than or equal to 4. So what is the answer? Minus infinity to 4. Close interval for 4. Open interval for minus infinity. Ninth question. X plus x by 2 plus x by 3. X by 3 less than 11. Yeah. Let us take LCM here. 6x plus 3x plus 2x less than 11. 11x less than 66 when you cross multiply. X is less than 6. So minus infinity to 6. Before 6, everything will come. Okay. Now 10th question. They given x by 3 is greater than x by 2 plus 1. Now x by 3 is greater than, take LCM here, 2x plus 2. Now cross multiply. 2x is greater than 3x plus 6. Now bring x to one side. 2x minus 3x greater than 6. Minus x is greater than 6. Multiply with minus. X is less than minus 6. So it becomes minus infinity to minus 6. Open interval. Okay. 11th one. 3 into x minus 2 by 5 less than or equal to 5 into 2 minus x by 3. Cross multiply, it becomes 9 into x minus 2 less than or equal to 25 into 2 minus x. 9x minus 18 less than or equal to 50 minus 25x. Bring all x's to one side. 9x plus 25x less than or equal to 50 plus 18. So it becomes 34x less than or equal to 68. X is less than or equal to 2. That means from minus infinity to 2, close interval for 2. Okay. Now see the 12th one. It is given something fraction, but very simple only, no problem. Let us take this inside. 3x by 10 plus 2 greater than or equal to x by 3 minus 2. So bring all x's to one side. 3x by 10 minus x by 3 greater than or equal to minus 2 minus 2. LCM is 30 here. It becomes 9x minus 10x greater than or equal to minus 4. It becomes minus x greater than or equal to minus 120. When you multiply with minus, it becomes x less than or equal to 120. So since it is equal, 120 close interval minus infinity open interval. Right? 13th one. 2 into 2x plus 3 minus 10 less than 6 into x minus 2. Now you multiply this. 4x plus 6 minus 10 less than 6x minus 12. 4x minus 6x less than minus 12 plus 4. So minus 2x less than minus 8. When you multiply with the minus, the inequality changes. 2x greater than 8, x greater than 4. The solution will be from 4 to infinity open. Okay? See the 14th one, same process. 37 minus 3x minus 5. 9x minus 8x plus 24. Bring all x's to one side. This become x minus 3x minus x greater than or equal to 24. This become 32. It will become minus 32. So minus 4x greater than or equal to minus 8. Multiply with minus 4x less than or equal to 8. Then x is less than or equal to 2. So minus infinity to 2. Okay. Next. 15. X by 4 less than 5x minus 2 by 3 minus 7x minus 3 by 5. Now x by 4 less than LCM we take here 15. 5 will go 25x minus 10. 3 will go here 21x plus 9. Now x by 4 less than or otherwise cross multiply at a time. 15x less than 4 into 4x minus 1. So 15x less than 16x minus 4. Bring it here. Minus x less than minus 4. X is greater than 4. So answer will be from 4 to infinity open. See the 16th problem. Now let us take first LHS like this. RHS we take LCM 20. 5 into this. 15x minus 10. 4 into this. Minus 8 plus 4x. Now you cross multiply 20 into 2x minus 1 greater than or equal to 3 into 19x minus 18. It becomes 40x minus 20 greater than or equal to 57x minus 54. So let us bring all the x's here. Minus 17x greater than or equal to minus 34. First multiply with minus 17x less than or equal to 34. X is less than or equal to 2. The solution will be minus infinity to 2. Closed for 2 because is equal to symbol is there. Okay. See for 17, 18, 19, 20 we are asked to shade or numbers sketch on a number line. How? I'll tell you. Bring all in the same process but we just extend by drawing a number line. That's it. 3x minus 2x less than 2 plus 1. So x is less than 3. There is a small change when there is equal to symbol and when there is no is equal to symbol. I tell you. Number line, it is less than 3. No? From minus infinity to infinity, we take 0. No need to take 0 also. 1, 2, 3. Just take 3 here. Just take 3. If you want, you can take 0 also. Better 1, 2, 3 values. 1, 2, 3, 0. Okay. Now, before 3, it is less than 3. So, when this no is equal to, we just put a mark circle like this. When it is equal to symbol, we darken the circle like this. When there is equal to, we dark like this. When there is no is equal to, we just draw a circle like this at 3. That means this circle, this vacant circle tells us that value is not included at 3. And from here to here, no, just darken it. Just darken. Make it more dark from here to here or otherwise you just draw like this. That's it. Enough. From here to here. Okay. If I do one more problem, you can understand. Second one, 18th one, 5x minus 3 greater than or equal to 3x minus 5. Bring all x's to one side. Minus 5 plus 3. 2x greater than or equal to minus 2. X is greater than or equal to minus 1. So x will be belongs to from minus 1 to infinity actually. So take a number line minus infinity to plus infinity. 0 minus 1 will be here. Minus 1 should include. So we take a dark circle at minus 1. And it should be closed interval. No? Actually we should dark this line. Dark line tells us this line is the answer, the solution. Better you do like this also. It will be more clear. Okay. See the 19th question. Yeah. 3 minus 3x less than 2x plus 8. Bring all x's to one side. Minus 3x minus 2x less than 5. Minus 5x less than 5. First send minus 5x greater than minus 5. X is greater than minus 1. So minus 1 to infinity actually. So how to put minus 1 to infinity? Minus infinity plus 0 minus 1. So there is no is equal to symbol. So we draw open interval like this. Okay. Now 28 is a fraction x by 2 greater than or equal to 5x minus 2 by 3 minus 7x minus 3 by 5. So x by 2 greater than or equal to LCM is 15, 25x minus 10, 21x plus 9, cross multiply 15x greater than or equal to 2 into 4x minus 1. So 15x greater than or equal to 8x minus 2, bring here 7x greater than or equal to minus 2, x greater than or equal to minus 2 by 7. So number line minus infinity to plus infinity. Minus 2 by 7 will be here somewhere, and there should be a dark mark and darken the line, and it should be closed interval. And here also if the answer is here, you just darken this line, darken. Okay, right. Now look at the question number 21. Just a minute. Okay, now if you look at 21st question, Ravi obtained 70 marks and 75 first two unit test. Find the minimum number of marks he should get in the third test to have an average at least. See, one is 70, the other one is 75, the third one we don't know x. Average is nothing but sum of the marks by total number of the marks. Average at least means minimum it should be 60. So at least means minimum, more than or equal to 60. That's a common normal concept. This is 145 plus x greater than or equal to 180. So x is greater than or equal to 35. So minimum we should get 35 mark to reach the average 60. 22. To receive grade 10. The same concept. To receive grade 10, grade A in course, one must obtain an average of 90 marks or more. 90 marks or more, greater than or equal to 90. If Sunita's marks in first four subjects, 87, 92, 94, 95, the last one we don't know. Find minimum mark that Sunita must obtain in fifth subject. By 5 because it is an average. Okay, let us cross multiply. 450. Now what is the total for this? 9, 11, 18, 10, 19, 28, 36 plus x. So x is greater than or equal to 450 minus 368. 50 and 32. 82. So minimum marks he should score is 82. Okay. Okay, or if you look at 23rd question, find all pairs of consecutive odd positive digits, both of which are smaller than 10 and whose the sum is more than 11. See, consecutive odd means let odd integer be x, the other one will be x plus 2. Okay, you can take x and x minus 2 also. What did they say? Which are smaller than 10. That means x is less than 10 also. X plus 2 is less than 10. Both of which are smaller than 10. That means x is less than 8. From these two we take this one because this is more common. Less than 10, less than 8. Next condition is sum is more than 11. Sum is x plus 2 is more than 11. 2x is greater than 9. X is greater than 4.5. Now the solution is we have to search for the number or the integer or the odd integer which is more than 4.5 and less than 8. After 4.5, what will be the odd number? 5, 7, that's it. It should be before 8. So this is the answer. Okay? See the 24th question. Same here. Find all pairs of consecutive even positive digits, both of which are larger than 5. Even also we take x comma x plus 2. X is greater than, larger than 5. X is greater than 5. X plus 2 is greater than 5. So x is greater than 3. In these two, we take x greater than 5. Such that their sum is less than 23. Sum means addition is less than 23. So 2x is less than 21. X is less than 21 by 2. That means x is less than 10.5. That means it should be more than 5 and less than 10.5. What are the even integers? These are the even, consecutive. So we take 6 comma 8 and also 10 you can take. That means 6 comma 8 or 8 comma 10 you can take. The pairs, we write the pairs 6 comma 8 or 8 comma 10. Okay. Also, because you are taking consecutive, if x is this one, your other number is 12, you can take 10 comma 12 also. Okay. See, all of you look at the 25th question. Longest side is 3 times the shortest side, and the third side is 2 centimeters shorter than the longest side. So basically we take shortest side as x and the longest will be 3 times. So 3 times. Third side will be 2 times shorter than the longest side. So 3x minus 2. What did they say? Perimeter is at least. At least means greater than longest side. So it means x plus 3x minus 2 greater than or equal to 61. 7x greater than or equal to 63. X is greater than or equal to 9. So what did they ask us to find out? What is the minimum length of the shortest side? Minimum length is 9 centimeters. Okay. Next, 26. Here everything is given in the data. This is here also. A man wants to cut 3 centimeters of total length is 91. This is the basic thing. Whatever you make, it should be from 91 only. Second length is 3 centimeters longer than the shortest. Third length is to be twice as long as shortest. Here also we take shortest side as x, and the second length we take it as 3 centimeters longer, x plus 3. Third length is twice as long as shortest. Okay, now what did they say? Possible lengths of the shortest. If the third piece is at least 5 centimeters more than the second piece. So this is a condition. Third piece means 2x greater than or equal to 5 plus x plus 3. So it becomes x is greater than or equal to 8. And one more thing we have to do is, whatever you make the lengths, these should be less than or equal to 91. That means all the 3 sides, x plus 3 plus 2x must be less than. So it becomes 4x less than or equal to 88. X is less than or equal to 22. So what are the possible lengths? It should be more than 8. The value of x will be between 8 and 22. Okay.